Hello, welcome to Electronic Curiosities. Today I am going to design 5000 mAh battery and you can design it easily at your home. So let's begin. So I have this module and 5000 mAh battery which will charge this battery using that module. So you can see this module which has a micro USB and a USB. For micro USB, it take input of 5 volt 1 amps which will be given by adapter from your charger, and the output of it will be given to your phone, which is 5 volt 2 amps. So you can see this module. It has also a switch which will when you press it will show you the indication of battery, how much it is charged using the battery. It has 4 LED. It will show how much the battery of yours is charged. So you can see this module, micro USB and the USB part. This USB has a positive and negative. You have to connect negative to the negative of the battery and positive to the positive of the battery. If you reverse, then it will damage the module. I am going to use here a cardboard to design the outlook of the power bank. You can use any material as you can. So I am using this cardboard. I am designing this. Instead of this battery, lithium polymer battery, you can also use lithium ion battery, which are be connected in parallel to the module. Cardboard and cutting it, mark it. I use cardboard because it is lightweight and it will make your power bank very light, and you can carry it very lightly. So this module charge the battery is of voltage rating 3.4 volt to 4.1 volt. As per that, I have suggested my battery of 5000 mAh, which has also 3.4 volt to 4.1 volt. If you want to make higher 1000 mAh, means 10,000 mAh, 15,000 mAh, then you can change the battery as well as the module to charge it. Okay. So I am using a 5000 mAh to show you. Solder this battery to the module, negative to negative and positive to positive. It is indicated there on the module, the negative part and the positive part. Reverse and it will damage the module. I am going to use a glue gun to stick that module as well as the battery. You can also use a double-sided tape. It is very good instead of using glue gun. But I will provide a link of the module and the battery which I have used on this power bank. You can buy that and you can design this at your home using 300 rupees of 5000 mAh battery. I'm using adapter to charge it. This is 5 volt 2 amps adapter of your mobile. Connect it to the micro USB to charge. And the USB part of it will be going to be your phone. 2 amps, 5 volt 2 amps. You can now see here charging is happening in the module, so it will charge the battery. It will show the indication level of this on the LED, how much it is charged on the LEDs. When you press that button, there's a button on the module, it will show the indication level on the LEDs. It is very easy to design. You can design it at your home. Only you need is the battery and the module. It is very lightweighted. You can design it very lightweight. So I'm going to connect to my phone. So you can see I connected to my phone and it is charging now. Already charged, but it will show the charging level on the phone. So you can see it is I designed this 5000 mAh battery and you can design it to your home, and it is very lightweight. You can design as much light as you can. So you can see so thanks for watching.